Hello children, let's understand a wonderful topic of structure of atom, and this topic is Thomson's model of an atom. So it was the first model which was actually described by J.J. Thomson. The discovery of electrons and protons actually led to the failure of Dalton's atomic theory. So what did Dalton said? He said that atoms are indivisible, and when there was a discovery of electrons by J.J. Thomson and E. Goldstein discovered protons, then the theory of Dalton atomic theory is cancelled, or it was discarded because of the discovery of electrons and protons. So can we say atoms are divisible or indivisible? Definitely, atoms are divisible. It has subatomic particles. So atoms, they are not indivisible, they are divisible. So the model of structure of atom was first put forth by J.J. Thomson. So what he did, after discovering electrons, he gave an idea of the structure of atom, that how atom should look like. So according to Thomson model of an atom, he said that the model of an atom or the structure of atom resembles the Christmas pudding. Have you ever tried Christmas pudding? Yes, I am sure it's really tasty. So what happens in Christmas pudding? What is there? You can see the raisins, the currants on the surface, right, or within the spongy bread, right. So the electrons were like the currants, dry fruits in the spherical Christmas pudding. Each one contained in a sphere of positive charge. So it is same like when we talk about watermelon. What happens in watermelon? The red edible part has some seeds embedded in it, right? It is the similar way. The atom has a positive sphere just like watermelon. The way seeds are embedded, electrons are embedded, right? So this is the structure that was given by Thomson model. He said that the atom is a spherical structure having positive charge. So the positive charge is the sphere, and the electrons are embedded just like seeds in the watermelon. So these electrons are embedded just like seeds of watermelon. And one more important point he mentioned, that the number of positive charges will be equal to the number of negative charges. What are the postulates given by it? So he said that atom is made up of positively charged sphere with embedded electrons, just like the structure we have. The magnitude of negative and positive charges is same. As a result, the atom as a whole has no charge. Atom is neutral. So he was the first scientist who actually proved that atom is neutral with a good explanation. And what was the explanation? Atoms contain equal number of electrons and protons. It contains equal magnitude of negative and positive charge. So the charges cancel out each other, and hence atom is neutral. So this particular explanation was very important, but the first postulate which was given by Thomson was not accurate. He said that atom is made up of a positively charged sphere in which electrons are embedded, but further in the other models of atoms it was proved that the entire surface of atom is not positive. Only the center part or the center portion of the atom is positive. So one of the postulate was incorrect, but the second postulate is totally correct. So that's why it's important to study the history of the chemistry, right? This is what we are doing. We are trying to understand how we got the structure of atom, right? So now let's watch an animated video for Thomson model of an atom.
Thomson's atomic model. With the discovery of electrons and protons, it was important to know how these particles are arranged within an atom. The atomic model proposed by J.J. Thomson at that time is called apple pie pudding model. J.J. Thomson believed that an atom is made up of positively charged substance in the form of a sphere. Into this sphere are embedded electrons much the same way as the apples are embedded in an apple pie. Furthermore, the total positive charge of the sphere is equal to total negative charge of the electrons, and hence the atom remained electrically neutral. J.J. Thomson's model of the atom was not accepted by fellow physicists, as it was unable to explain how positively charged particles were shielded from negatively charged particles without getting neutralized.
So, I hope you have understood the concept very well, that the atom is positive sphere in which electrons are embedded. This was the first postulate given by Thomson. The second postulate was that the positive and negative charge are equal, therefore atom is neutral. I hope you have got it. Thank you.